Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to import the Makehuman 3D avatar into Unreal Engine 5.1 and retarget it and make it become the main avatar or NPC in your Unreal Engine 5.1 game project. And the Makehumans is a free software for everyone that can create and generate any of the 3D avatar with the edge variations, edge morph, etc. You can create any type of the 3D avatar you want. So start from now, I'm going to show you step by step. First, you can just go to my video descriptions, go and get the Makehumans from the official site, right? Or you also need to have the Unreal Engine 5.1, get it from official sites, get the Makehumans, and you can get it from my alternative link as well if sometimes the official site is too slow to respond. Right, so once everything ready, you also need to have the Freedom Animation Pipeline version 8 that created by me. You have to download it as a zip folder and then extract it to the folder, something like this, the Freedom Animation Pipeline. Once you're done already, we can start our tutorial. I will show you step by step. First, the Makehumans you have to install in your computer. Then open it, open the Makehuman community. First, we are going to design a new avatar in Makehumans. As demo, I will show you very fast. Alright. First of all, this is the default. You can just set the gender. First, just go to the geometry and give her some clothes. For example, if I want to create a female, I give her a female suit here. Then back to the modeling, the gender, I can drag it become male, I can make it become female. And this is the edge. And then the muscle, the weight, I want to make her skinny. The height, you can make her taller. The proportion. Right. Then you can make it become Asian, African, or Caucasian. As demo, I'm going to create a Caucasian female like this. The weight. Next, you may just adjust any of the gender. You can create any of the face, torso, etc. As demo, I'm not going to design for this. Then I go to the geometry. The eyes already ready. The hair. And then the teeth. Give her a teeth base. The topology. No need. The eyebrow. Next is the eyelashes. Then go to the tongue. Give her a tongue. Go to the material. First, you can just choose from here. This is the skin. The young Caucasian, the young Asian male, young Asian female is okay. Young Caucasian female, it's up to you. Once done already, you may want to adjust the hair color, the eyes color, the blue. Then the eyebrow, the eyelashes, the teeth, the tongue. Then go to the pose. The skeleton, you have to choose the game engine like this. Then the pose, you choose T pose. Right. Then once everything done already, first you can just save it. Click here and choose the locations. As demo, I will save it on my desktop. I will just name this as Caucasian female 02, for example. I save it. This is a Makehuman file. Next, export the FBX. I create a new folder on my desktop. I name this as 01 from Makehuman. Right. Click here to export the FBX. You choose the FBX and select a location. And as demo, I will just put it on this desktop from Makehuman. Then the FBX file, I'm going to name her as Caucasian female 02. Save. So for this time, I save it as FBX file. It is already here. Once everything done already, next we can go to the Unreal Engine. I'm going to show you step by step, including the retargeting and also how to make her to become the main avatar or NPC in your Unreal Engine 5.1 game project. This is the Unreal Engine 5.1 editor. As demo, I'm going to start from a fresh new game project, a third-person game project. The project name is My Project 15. I click Create. Then here I choose No. Right, this is a fresh new third-person game project, and now it is still preparing the shader. Right, the first thing what you are going to do is make sure that you already have the Freedom Animation Pipeline version 8 for Unreal Engine 5.1. First step, right-click the File Explorer. Then, go to the document, Unreal Projects. The project directory is My Project 15. This is the project name. So this is the project directory. Double click to check in. Go into the content folder. Next, open the Freedom Animation Pipeline version 8 for Unreal Engine 5.1. It also have a content folder. Double click in. Copy the Freedom Animation Pipeline into your content directory here. Just copy and paste into that, and now you can close all the folders. Back to your Unreal Engine 5.1. The content folder, it already appeared a Freedom Animation Pipeline at here, see? And so I'm going to show you step by step how. First, we are going to import the Caucasian female 02. Just now you export from Makehuman, exported as FBX file. Now, in your Unreal Engine 5.1 here, right-click to create a new folder. Name this as Caucasian female 02. Double-click in and import the FBX file. Alright, just drag in and import it. Import all. And wait for a while. Now it is importing. Done already. Close. Next, we are going to test this avatar. Where is the skeletal mesh? It is here. Caucasian female 02 skeletal mesh. Is it too big or too small? That's it. Just drag it into the scene and try to play. Now, the size is okay. So, the size is okay. So, next, we check the avatar. Just open the skeletal mesh. We are going to fix the material. So now, just have a look. It have something wrong on the material. You cannot see the eyes. So what you can do is just go and adjust the material from this side. So first, we check here. The hair also have the material problem. Let's say this one. We are going to adjust it, adjust everything from here. First, you go to the eyes. This is high poly. This is the eyes. And then next, click the empty area so that you can see the blend mode. The blend mode, you have to choose mask. Then, the alpha, you drag it to opacity mask. Next, you have to tick two sides. Then click save. Once saved already, you back to your Caucasian female. Now you already can see the eyes. Very good. Next is the eyebrow and eyelashes. Double click the eyebrow from here. So what is this? This is just a texture. So next, click the empty area, do the same way. Tick the two sides. The blend mode, choose the mask. Then the alpha, you drag it to opacity mask. And try to save it. Once you save it, then you can have a check. Now it is compiling the shader. Next, you back to Caucasian female 02. Seems the eyebrow already get fixed. Next is the eyelashes. Do the same way. Click the empty area here. The blend mode, changed it to mask. Then two-sided, take it. Drag the alpha to opacity mask. Next, you save it. Then back to the Caucasian female 02. Now you can see the material already get fixed. Next, you can see this is the hair sculpt. We are going to find it out. It should be the hair. Double click the ponytail. Do the same way. The blend mode change to mask. Then two-sided, you take it. The alpha, drag it to opacity mask. Then save it. Once you save it, back to your avatar. Now everything, the hair already look perfect, already okay. So what else? Nothing else. Once the material already get fixed, then we are going to retarget it. This is a T-pose. So now, click File, Save All. And close this. Then click here, click File, Save All. Right now, you can delete this. Next, we are going to retarget it. Before we retarget the animation pipeline, just right click here to create a new folder. Name this folder as animation. And back to the content folder. Go into the Freedom Animation Pipeline folder, double click in. And then go to the UE4 A Pose Mannequin. Go to the animation blueprint. You should be able to see a third-person animation blueprint here. Right-click it, retarget, duplicate and retarget the animation blueprint. And then the IK retargeter, you have to choose UE4 A pose to make human T pose. IK retargeter. This is very important. The make human T pose IK retargeter. Choose it. Then here you have to choose your Caucasian female 02. Make sure you choose your avatar according to the name, the Caucasian female 02. Then you click retarget. Once you click retarget, you have to wait for a while. Now this is the third person walk. Everything works normally. The first thing what you are going to do is just rename the third person animation blueprint. Press F2, click and add an underscore. Name this as Caucasian female 02. Alright. Name it by adding an underscore and add the avatar's name. Next, you back to your Caucasian female 02 folder. Just now you already created the animation folder. We are going to move everything into the animation folder. Click the first one, hold the shift, click the last one, drag it, drag and drop into the animation folder, move here. So now, this is a third-person game project. If you try to play, the main avatar is the UE 5.1, the Unreal Engine 5.1 Mannequin. How are we going to change it to become the Makehumans, the Caucasian female 02? So it is really easy. Go to the third person. From your content folder, go to the third person blueprint. You should be able to see a BP third person character. Right click it, duplicate. And then remove number ones, adding an underscore here. Name this according to your avatar's name. Caucasian female 02. Name it according to your avatar's name. Double click in. First, click the mesh, click the viewport. You should be able to see a skeleton mesh asset here. So we are going to change it to become the Makehuman, the Caucasian female 02. This one, the Caucasian female 02. And next, here, the animation class, you switch it to be third person animation blueprint, Caucasian female 02. You choose it according to the name it according to the avatar's name. Alright, now done. Once done already, click compile, click save, and click close. The final step, we are going to change the main avatar. Double click the BP third person game mode here. The main avatar is the default pawn class. Switch it from BP third person character to become the BP third person character Caucasian female 02. Once you switch it already, click compile, click save, click close. Now you can see if I try to play this third person game, the main avatar already become your Caucasian female 02 from Makehumans. So now we already successfully imported the Makehuman 3D avatar into Unreal Engine 5.1 to make it become the main avatar in your game project. And how are we going to make it become an NPC? It is really easy. Just duplicate this, right click and duplicate. Then do not change the name, but adding an underscore NPC. So you can see this is the main avatar, this is the NPC. You already add an NPC in the name. That just double click it to modify the NPC and program the NPC. It is under the event graph. You can just create your blueprint programming for your NPC. And once you're done already, just drag it to your scene and press E. Press E and rotate to a certain angle. This is the NPC. If you try to play your game, you can see you yourself, the main avatar is the Caucasian female 02. And then you can see the Caucasian female 2 also become one of the NPC in your game as well. It is really easy. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorial on how to import the Makehuman 3D avatar into Unreal Engine 5.1, retarget it, and make it become the main avatar or NPC in your Unreal Engine 5.1 game project. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial or sharing, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation and game developing. See you!